Be honest, how many times have you heard AI will save you 10 hours a week? So I tested it. One real workday. Same tasks, same deadlines. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gamma, Notion. Do they actually save time or just add extra steps?
In theory, this should give me a full content strategy in like 10 minutes. So I give it a prompt, and yeah, it looks good. Like, really good. Structured, clean, confident. But then you actually read it, and it's generic. Like it's saying everything and nothing at the same time. Verdict? Great starting point, not a finished product. Now, Gamma. This one surprised me. I gave it a topic, and it actually built a clean presentation, like structure, flow, everything. I still edit it? Yeah, but way less than I expected. Verdict? This actually saves time. Next, Perplexity. Basically, smarter Google. I ask a question, it gives me answers with sources. Fast. Still have to double-check things, because if you don't, you're trusting it blindly, and that's dangerous. Verdict? Fast, useful, but not autonomous. Finally, Notion AI. This was supposed to organize everything, and it does, if you guide it properly. If you don't, it organizes your notes like a confused intern. Helpful assistant, not independent. Final answer? Did AI save me 10 hours? No. Did something more interesting. It made starting easier, but finishing still takes effort.